Let's start the discussion of exercise related to vocabulary section. अब एक exercise आएगी जिसमें हम कुछ words को use करेंगे. So before using those words, we should discuss its meanings. First word is electorate, and the definition of electorate is all the people in a country or area who are entitled to vote in an election. Then referendum. It means a general vote by the electorate on a single political question which has been referred to them for a direct decision. Next word is propaganda. Propaganda is a mode of communication used to manipulate or influence the opinion of groups to support a particular cause or belief. Then opinion polls. Opinion poll, a method for collecting information about the views or beliefs of a given group. Parliament. Parliament is the very center of any form of democracy. In it, the interest of the greatest possible number of citizens should be represented. Polling stations. A building such as a school or community center where voting takes place during an election. To vote. A formal indication of a choice between two or more candidates or courses of action expressed typically through a ballot or a show of hands. Campaign ad. In politics, campaign advertising is the use of an advertising campaign through the media to influence a political debate and ultimately voters. Majority. The number by which votes for one candidate are more than those for all other candidates together. Policies. Policies are general statements that guides in decision making. A policy refers to a continuing decision which applies to repetitive situations. Ballot boxes, a sealed box into which voters put completed ballot papers. Let's move on to its exercise. Consult dictionary for the following words related to politics and then fill in the blanks. We are done with their meaning. Now we'll use these words in the blanks. So first is, I would like to dash for your party but I disagree with your dash on free trade. So यहाँ पे आ जाएगा to vote for your party but I disagree with your policies on free trade or policy. Second is, the election was thrown into chaos when two of the polling stations were destroyed in fires and several dash went missing at the close of voting. So यहाँ पे ballot boxes आ जाएगा. The opposition party won a large dash in the new dash and the government accepted defeat. First is majority, then in the new parliament. Fourth is the government lost the election because it had lost the trust of the dash after more than a decade in power. So यहाँ पे आ जाएगा electorate. Fifth is, despite being more than 5% behind in the most of the latest dash, we are still optimistic of winning the election next month. यहाँ पे आ जाएगा opinion polls. Sixth is, the Prime Minister was heavily criticized last month for giving the go-ahead to broadcast a campaign ad which personally attacked the leader of the opposition. Seventh is, in the UK, any constitutional changes made by the government need to be approved in a referendum. Dash is usually used most frequently during a time of war as enemies use radio, TV, and newsprint to attack each other's action and ideology. So, यहाँ पे propaganda आ जाएगा. Thank you.